I'm not gonna lock up the house.
You got the dogs on a leash? I mean, we're going. Hey, Aiden, where are you? Okay. Guys, we'll go out the back. Okay.
Turn it on, Bubba.
Now take your picture. Smile.
No, I'm recording this.
Please. Can I see? Can I see, Dad? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see, Daddy? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
What do you want to see?
The robot.
You turn it on. You have it right there.
The robot.
Yeah, it's a robot from the 1970s.
No. I want to see the robot.